Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the best meal to help clear out your arteries and support heart health. If you're looking to improve blood flow, reduce plaque buildup, and keep your heart strong, this meal is perfect for you. Let's get started. A heart-healthy diet is one of the best ways to keep your arteries clear and reduce the risk of heart disease. Over time, poor eating habits can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, narrowing them and restricting blood flow. This can significantly raise the risk of heart conditions, but making smart food choices can help prevent this. A healthy lifestyle is essential for the management of arterial plaque and treatment of clogged arteries. This includes eating a diet low in saturated fats and cholesterol, with less sugars and simple carbohydrates, and rich in fruits and vegetables. Maintaining a healthy body weight. This recipe is packed with ingredients scientifically proven to help reduce cholesterol, improve blood pressure, and prevent plaque buildup. It combines leafy greens, antioxidant-rich berries, heart-healthy fats, and other nutrients known to protect artery health. One of the best meals for artery health is a nutrient-packed salad that combines greens, berries, nuts, avocado, olive oil, and garlic. Here's why each of these ingredients works so well. Leafy greens, spinach or kale. Dark leafy greens are rich in fiber, folate, and antioxidants, which help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and improve overall heart health. They're also high in nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels relax and improve blood flow. Mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Berries are loaded with polyphenols, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their color and are strong anti-inflammatory agents. They help reduce oxidative stress, a key contributor to plaque buildup. Avocado. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, which help raise HDL, good cholesterol, and lower LDL, bad cholesterol. They are also a great source of potassium, a mineral essential for blood pressure regulation. Nuts, almonds or walnuts. Nuts provide omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and unsaturated fats. Studies show that these fats help reduce inflammation, a major cause of arterial plaque, while omega-3s promote elasticity in blood vessels. Seeds, chia or flax seeds. These seeds are another excellent source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support healthy blood pressure. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. Studies show that regular consumption of olive oil can improve blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and even reduce the size of arterial plaques. Garlic. Garlic is a known medicinal food with powerful heart benefits. It contains allicin, which helps reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and prevent the buildup of arterial plaque. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is high in vitamin C and antioxidants that improve blood vessel health and can reduce cholesterol levels. Its acidity also helps enhance the flavor of the salad without needing extra salt. Additional tips for heart health. Consider these additional lifestyle tips to maximize the benefits. Stay active. Regular exercise, such as walking, swimming, or biking, helps maintain a healthy weight and improves blood circulation. Reduce processed foods. Processed foods often contain unhealthy trans fats, sugars, and excess salt that can damage blood vessels. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease. Stay hydrated. Water helps keep your blood flowing smoothly, reducing the chance of clot formation. To measure artery health and check for blockages, doctors use a variety of tests, each giving unique insights into the state of your arteries and heart. Blood tests. Basic blood tests are one of the first steps in assessing artery health. They measure cholesterol levels, including HDL, LDL, and triglycerides, and other factors like blood sugar and inflammation markers. High levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides can increase the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Blood pressure measurements. Regularly monitoring blood pressure helps indicate artery health. High blood pressure can strain artery walls, leading to damage and an increased risk of plaque formation. Consistently healthy blood pressure is a good sign of arterial health. Carotid artery. Ultrasound. This non-invasive test uses sound waves to create images of the carotid arteries in the neck. It can reveal any plaque buildup or narrowing, which may indicate a risk of blockages in other arteries as well. Coronary calcium scan, CT scan. A coronary calcium scan helps detect calcium deposits in the coronary arteries, a key indicator of plaque. This test is especially useful for early detection, as calcium buildup in arteries may signal an increased risk of heart disease. Angiography. Angiography is an imaging test in which a special dye is injected into the blood vessels, allowing doctors to view X-rays that reveal any blockages in the arteries. This test is more invasive but is highly effective in detecting artery blockages. Ankle brachial index, ABI. ABI compares blood pressure in the ankle and arm. A significant difference in these readings can indicate reduced blood flow due to artery narrowing or blockages, especially in the legs. Echocardiogram, stress test. An echocardiogram is a heart ultrasound that shows blood flow and heart function. When combined with a stress test, usually exercise, it can help assess how well blood moves through the arteries under physical strain, identifying any potential blockages. Each of these methods helps doctors assess artery health, detect early signs of plaque, and decide on the best treatments to keep arteries clear and support heart health. I hope you found this meal idea helpful for clearing your arteries. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. See you in the next video.